You all have ended up with a big time in university, finished up with your 9 to 5 classes of this semester. Studying from home is trending like never before. So this time, being a teacher is not an easy task. Numerous questions are raising. Ma'am, will our assessment pattern be changing? What if my laptop is not working and I cannot upload my assignment? Ma'am, suggest some sites to study. ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है, वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है, ये डाउट है, वो डाउट है. Ma'am, how to study for this subject? Ma'am, बस हो गई है घर बैठे बैठे. Last but not the least, ma'am, what's the point in studying when we don't know when and where the situation will be on? No teacher wants their students to have to feel this anxiety. So, through this video, I wanted you all, especially who are constantly texting me from last 15 days. I'm so delighted to welcome you all at this platform to share my video and to convey that you all matter. Your doubts, your queries, all matters. Just don't panic. To address all these questions, all these queries, I am quoting a modified version of an old idiom. That is, be a wolf in wolf's clothing. I repeat, be a wolf in wolf's clothing. Through this, I would like to exemplify a wolf in you all and advise to channelize your inner wolf even in your darkest times. Whether it comes to study online, for a course, for a certification, solving assignments, preparing for postponed exams, or getting ahead in your career. First of all, I would like to say, instead of blaming this situation of lockdown for your isolation, boredom, and shortcomings, try hard work at improving your weak spots and capitalize your strengths as wolves do. Just like a wolf, treat their job hunt as a second hunt and pursue it aggressively. Set your morning routines and keep on hunting your goals instead of sitting around and moping. If one plan of studying doesn't work out, move on to others until you find a flicker of light at the end of tunnel. Even though real wolves can't use social media, but an educated wolf in you can opt for various online studying platforms and decide according to his own academic need that can help in lending completion of course. Next, we all know wolves are social and pack animals. It usually said that wolves are unafraid to ask others outside their comfort zone for help and advice. So, you too should build your groups of similar-minded wolves, and if there's anything that you find a bit challenging or that you feel you need to drill deeper into being a confident wolf, never hesitate, take your time and consider messaging your friends, classmates, guides, mentors to get their thoughts or ideas on particular topic. The wolf mentality is what? It is the practice of being brave, strong, taking ownership, going on attack for what he wants and deserves. So I would like to see each of you, the one who knows what his next step is after watching this video and is not afraid to go after it. I know you all have confidence, but in this lockdown period, recognize your weaknesses and groom yourself rather than overthinking about the situation. I agree that we all have been advised to stay inside as much as possible, but this doesn't mean we have to be imprisoned in our own homes. If you suddenly find yourself dwelling on any problem, or if you feel a little less productive, just go and sit in your garden areas if you are lucky enough to have one, or take a short walk. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally and mentally in this isolation, but it also contributes your physical well-being, reducing muscle tension and the production of stress hormones. With university shut, there is barely a boundary between the bedroom and the classroom now. Even the morning routines may look very different now. You all may be staying longer in bed and no specific time to start working for the day. Means there is no start date yet of anything. This virus has altered how we now live our everyday lives, but that doesn't mean that everything has to change. Try to stay as close as your normal routine as possible, because keeping a routine can help you stay motivated and manageable throughout this lockdown period. Moreover, our bodies tend to function better when eating, sleeping, and exercise pattern are set to a normal schedule. So, I am giving you a perfect date, May 2, 2020, to be a person who knows that what he wants and how he or she has to hunt in his or her coming days. My best suggestion is not to rush into reading random materials and not to join the sheeple crowd. Structure your own individual format of your study and use this time productively, because if you don't, all the great work you have done over the years will be wasted. So, in the end, I feel that pulling together these steps at this platform ensures you to stay motivated with regards to your studies and your day-to-day routine and gain you a place you deserve. Thank you all and bless you.